day we have been working on various assignments. When we got to know about this, we thought yes, some traits we also want to know how we can enhance our leadership skills and also have an impact on maybe at the personal level or the professional level. Morning when we got into this hall, we became with the perception and sitting here really enlightened our minds. What actually I took from this session is action on information leads to transformation. I think I won't write it on my board where I am sitting in my staff room. So every day I look at it. So I should get a feel that action on information leads to transformation. And the wheel, the diagram which you showed us, and you made us, do some homework on it. What is the finance part, spirituality, health part? There, I think we spend some time for ourselves and try to understand what is the percentage of time we are giving for health, spirituality, career, relationships, then how to actually enhance on it. This was something which I really liked it. And overall, being in the ambience of our colleagues here, having a little stressed out time from our daily routine was really nice. And you spoke on some of the stress related aspects and how to come out of it. And breathe in, breathe out. Though we have a lot of time every day, but sometimes we ignore ourselves. Not to blame anybody, I think we have to blame ourselves for not taking time for ourselves. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us today.